Cooking with Kyler! I'm Will.
And I'm Kyler the Nueske. Today we're making Quiche Lorraine using Nueske's bacon.
Hey guys, so today we decided to do Quiche Lorraine. Nueske's, they are out of Wisconsin. They specialize in a lot of smoked meats.
No, they're not out of Wisconsin. They're out of this world.
They're out of this world. They happen to be located in Wisconsin, but their smoked meats, this bacon, is out of this world.
They're amazing.
You are correct. When I cook bacon, I cook it in the oven, 400 degrees. I'm not a pan frying bacon person because I feel like it burns it too much.
While that's cooking, we're gonna prepare a pie dough.
They have plenty of great pie doughs at the grocery store. You can make your own homemade. We're not going to. Spread it out a little bit.
Oh, well look at that.
Would you look at that?
I think this is gonna be really good.
I'll put it in the oven.
Whoa.
I love that. Additional 5 minutes.
Is that good?
That's beautiful. Give it a little dash of nutmeg too.
Oh, yeah. Nutmeg is the dried seed from the evergreen tree.
Yeah, now I know why they say to weigh it down, because it puffed up a little bit. We're gonna use some of the bacon grease right now to saute the onions. I know. Now, with our partially cooked dough, which went a little over, it's okay, what are you gonna do, right? What are you gonna do? We're gonna sprinkle our cheese, our bacon. So we're gonna cut the bacon up. Do you wanna do that? And I'm gonna go like this too.
This looks great.
It's okay, it's gonna be all right.
You might have messed up, buddy.
The crust burnt a little bit. We're gonna make mistakes, but you know what? I had fun.
We're gonna be proud of it.
Yeah. Oh. Let me get a little parsley. Get excited, tell a friend.
Too hot.
Thick cut. Hey, go with the thick cut bacon. From the Tullys to the Nueskes to you.
Be inspired, get creative, and include the kids.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to eat it. Ah, that was a nice trip.
Oh yeah.